You pay your card in full every month. You have never paid 1 cent of interest in your life, and you are still one of the most profitable people in the building. That's not a trick statement. By the end of this drawing, you'll see the machine making money off you at this exact moment. And once you see it, every receipt in your wallet looks different. It has a name, and I'm not going to make you wait for it. The swipe cut. Every time your card touches a reader, somewhere between 1.5 and 3.5% of that purchase gets carved off and split between the bank that issued your card and the network that moved the money, not from your account. From the store side of the counter, you never see it. It never shows on your receipt. And it happens on every single swipe on Earth. Interest is how cards make money off some people. The cut is how they make money off everyone. Easy, breathe, watch this. Because the story of how this machine got built is genuinely one of the strangest in banking. Fresno, California, September 1958. A Bank of America manager named Joe Williams does something no bank had ever done. He mails 60,000 credit cards to a town. Unsolicited, unrequested, already activated. 60,000 mailboxes opened on the same week, and inside, free borrowing power from a bank most of them had never asked for anything. They called it the Fresno Drop, and it went badly. Fraud, defaults, delinquency rates north of 20%. The program burned millions in its first year, the manager left the bank, and the papers called it a fiasco. So why is this the origin story of the card in your pocket right now? Because Bank of America looked at the wreckage and saw the actual prize. It was never the interest. Interest was messy, risky, full of people who don't pay. The prize was the position. 60,000 shoppers and hundreds of merchants, all wired through one middleman, forever. Every coffee, every grocery run, every tank of gas, with a toll booth in the middle. Build the road once, collect on every trip. Interest burns down. Tolls are forever. That program survived, spread bank to bank, and eventually needed a new name. Today you know it as Visa. Now zoom back to you, the proud full payer. In the industry, you have a nickname, by the way. You're a transactor. The people who carry a balance are revolvers. And here's what the machine earns from you, the person who thinks they escaped. The cut on everything. Say you run $2,000 a month through your card. At 2%, that's around $40. Every month, carved from the merchants you shop at, because you showed up holding their card. You didn't pay it directly. It got paid because of you. And you might be thinking, that's the store's problem. Hold that thought, because here's the second gear. Stores don't eat costs, they move them. The swipe fees get folded into the sticker price, the same sticker everyone pays. Researchers at the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston studied who wins and loses in this loop, and it's blunt. People paying cash, statistically poorer, pay the marked up price and collect nothing back. Card users get some of it returned as points. The rewards aren't a gift from the bank. They're a slice of the toll handed back to keep you swiping. That's the third gear. Your cash back, your miles, funded by the cut. The bank gives you 1 point so it can collect the whole toll. It's not generosity, it's a commission split with the salesperson. And the salesperson is you. There's even a fourth gear, quieter, the option on your future. Every transactor is one rough month away from becoming a revolver. The bank doesn't push you. It doesn't need to. It holds the ticket and waits. Most months, nothing. But across millions of people, some slip, and the machine is already positioned. Turn the canvas. You thought you were beating the system, using their card, paying in full, dodging every trap. But the system never needed your interest. It needed your swipe. You're not the fish that got away. You're the current the whole river runs on. The interest was a trap for some. The swipe is a toll for everyone. And let me be straight about what this is not saying. Nobody here is evil. A toll road is a business. And honestly, the road works. The payment goes through. The fraud gets eaten. The machine is genuinely useful. This also isn't cut up your card. If you collect rewards, they're real. Take them. This is only about knowing what you're standing in. The merchant knows. The bank knows. Now you know. So here's the one look to take with you. Next receipt, any receipt, glance at the total and remember, 2–3% of that number was carved off before the store counted its money because a card touched a reader. You'll see the toll booth standing there, quiet, on every purchase. Forever. You never paid interest. You paid all along. See the machine. Don't be the fuel. We draw one machine a week. The next one is already on the board.